Born and raised.
It's too bright.
Los Angeles, California.
So bright.
It's very bright. I hope I didn't leave my sunglasses in the last taxi, 'cause I'd be very upset. Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you making a video?
I'm sitting here. What do you mean what am I doing? What are you doing?
I had to get it.
Why
I
the
finally
hell
put
you
my phone
dropping
to
you
use.
off first?
Because I'm a fucking man.
Fucking loser.
Yeah, I'm a loser.
Are we hanging out with you right now?
Yeah, hang out with a loser.
Hang out with a loser.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Anyways, you gotta do something.
Come on, let's go do something.
Shots or something.
Let's get out the car.
Let's go.
get out the
I
car
want to
and
get in the pool. That's why I want to go back to my room with the fruit.
Bam,
We should get in the pool.